up, guys? It's Drifts and Lifts here. So I know you can't really see me right now, but I'm driving in Goldie with Sid here. She's gonna film the attack, and I'm gonna do some pulls for you guys. In a little bit here, I'm gonna show you guys the clips of last night's video. It's fucking sweet. We did some pretty awesome stuff at Langley Concrete, some dry drifting in the nighttime. My buddy Cole got his camera's lighting worked pretty good, so you know you're actually able to see a little bit in the dark. So, but here we're in Goldie right now. We're on our way to the gym. I figured I'd do some wide open throttle pulls. I got this thing running like really good. I fixed the stalling issue. I increased the idle and made sure the blow off valve was completely sealed. So we're gonna do second gear to third gear pull. And second in this car, in the dry, it just spins all the way down the road. So I'll get her spinning, then I'll get it into third, and then we'll rock it off down the road to some high speeds. So here we go. Hopefully you guys can see the speedometer right now. So I'm gonna hit it in second. Third. Okay guys, I have the window rolled down. Just listen to this thing. Fucking crazy aggressive. Flames out the hood and shit. Yeah, this car pulls awesomely hard. So anyways, I hope you guys like the videos of the drifting. Fucking right.
That was a fucking sick shot.
That was a... What?
Nothing's different. That was a fucking cool shot.
Did it bend anything?
No, dude, look at your hood.
I just crashed the boat. No balls. Did you know why it's this heavy? Literally. I like should have taken it off. It's like I always fuck up when